Hi, all. In our last episode, we explored inflation and how it relates to the real estate industry. If you missed that or the Deep Dive podcast, find it in the notes below. Today, we look into the new term, renter nation. Renter nation alludes to no one having the ability to buy a house and so must rent. Owning a home has always been part of the American dream and is a crucial step in the process of living. Very fundamental thing like graduating high school, having a baby. No small thanks to all of you for making that dream come true for so many people. Less and less people do not see the advantage of owning versus renting due to high interest rates. It is more even than that. New data coming out foresees prices this year increasing 4.5%, which will outpace inflation rate that is currently 3.6%. On again, off again tariffs is creating market instability further. Now enter from stage left, a strong dollar. The world sees our strong economy and dollar as a place to hedge money as their country deals with even higher inflation. The easiest place to park foreign money has been U.S. real estate, and this takes inventory out of the market. Couple that with soaring building component prices and a dwindling labor pool, thus creating a slowdown for builders, less inventory. The state of Montana recognizes this renter nation scenario and is taking action with House Bill 231 that gives relief to homesteads and long-term rental, but levies a higher tax for short-term rentals that services 13 million yearly tourists. Florida last month announced property tax breaks and 2 weeks ago announces effort to eliminate property taxes. On the insurance front, state regulators already require fossil fuel companies to invest in the communities that they operate in. The banking world has the Community Reinvestment Act, and so regulators could explore insurance companies' investment in climate mitigation, which would lessen the burden of payouts and could translate into smaller premiums. So, lessening taxes and premiums are good news for home affordability. Skyline Roofing doesn't agree with or see a trend that is changing the makeup of homeownership and only admits that there seems to be a perfect storm to dissuade people from buying now. This is a temporary headache that was started from the effects of COVID, but we may have to wait for 2026. Please stay strong this year and reap huge rewards in the spring of 2026. Thanks for listening through, and as always, please depend on Skyline Roofing to smooth out your closings with rapidly responsive roof reports and documentation, and if you need to have repairs, we move you to the front of the line.